In the dynamic world of YouTube, artificial intelligence (AI) has become a powerful ally for creators looking to optimize their content, increase engagement, and ultimately generate revenue. Here's an in-depth look at the AI tools that can help you make $1,690 per day on YouTube. 1. AI-driven video editing software. Editing is a crucial part of content creation, and AI-driven video editing tools can significantly streamline this process. Tools like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro X have integrated AI features that automate tasks such as color correction, scene detection, and even content tagging. For instance, Adobe's Sensei AI can help with auto-reframing videos for different platforms, making your content more versatile and appealing across various social media channels. This efficiency allows you to produce more content in less time, increasing your revenue potential through higher video output. 2. Content optimization tools. AI tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ are essential for optimizing your YouTube content. These platforms use AI to analyze keywords, track trends, and suggest tags to improve your video's searchability and ranking. TubeBuddy offers features like A/B testing for thumbnails and titles, helping you determine which combinations perform best. vidIQ provides insights into your competitors' strategies and helps you understand the best practices for optimizing your content. By improving your SEO and making your videos more discoverable, you can attract more viewers and increase your monetization opportunities. 3. AI-powered thumbnails and graphics. Thumbnails are often the first thing viewers notice, and AI tools like Canva and Snappa can help create eye-catching designs. Canva's AI features include automated design suggestions based on your content, making it easier to create compelling thumbnails that stand out. Snappa offers templates and AI-powered recommendations to ensure your visuals are professional and engaging. Effective thumbnails can significantly impact your click-through rate, leading to higher viewer engagement and increased revenue. 4. Voiceover and script generation. Creating engaging voiceovers and scripts can be time-consuming. AI tools such as Descript and Lumen 5 can help streamline this process. Descript offers transcription and voice cloning, allowing you to generate high-quality voiceovers quickly. Lumen 5 uses AI to convert text into engaging video content, which can be particularly useful for creating educational or promotional videos. These tools enable you to produce professional quality content efficiently, helping you maintain a consistent upload schedule and boost your revenue. 5. Audience engagement and analytics. AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Analytics can help you understand and engage with your audience more effectively. ChatGPT, for example, can assist in generating engaging responses to viewer comments and questions, improving your interaction with your audience. Google Analytics provides in-depth insights into viewer behavior, demographics, and engagement metrics. By analyzing this data, you can tailor your content to better meet the needs and preferences of your audience, which can lead to higher viewer retention and increased revenue. 6. Monetization management. Managing and maximizing your revenue is crucial for success on YouTube. AI tools like YouTube Analytics and AdSense offer valuable insights into your monetization performance. YouTube Analytics provides data on your revenue sources, including ad revenue, channel memberships, and super chats. AdSense, on the other hand, helps manage and optimize your ad placements and revenue streams. By understanding how different monetization strategies perform, you can make informed decisions to maximize your earnings. 7. Content planning and scheduling. AI tools such as Hootsuite and Buffer can assist with planning and scheduling your content. These platforms use AI to analyze the best times to post and help you plan your content calendar effectively. By scheduling your videos at optimal times, you can increase your chances of reaching a larger audience and driving more engagement. Consistent posting and strategic scheduling are key factors in growing your channel and maximizing revenue. 8. Trend analysis and predictive analytics. Staying ahead of trends is essential for content creators looking to capitalize on emerging topics. AI tools like Trend Hunter and BuzzSumo use predictive analytics to identify and analyze trends before they become mainstream. These tools can help you create content that aligns with current trends, increasing your chances of attracting a larger audience and boosting your revenue. By leveraging trend data, you can stay relevant and capture the interest of viewers interested in trending topics. 9. AI-powered SEO optimization. Search engine optimization (SEO) is crucial for increasing the visibility of your videos. AI-powered SEO tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush offer advanced features for optimizing your content. Ahrefs provides keyword research, backlink analysis, and content gap analysis, while SEMrush offers insights into keyword performance, competitor analysis, and site audits. By leveraging these tools, you can improve your video's ranking in search results, driving more traffic to your channel and increasing your potential revenue.